You can see 5 TB disk mounted to VPS. You can mount any amount of 5 TB disks to VPS. Let's start our work. Firstly, let's create 5 TB storage. Go to first link. You can find all links, commands and guidelines in description link. Scroll down. Click on try for free. Don't worry about 5 TB in 1 month. I have a trick to get unlimited and lifetime. Type any name. Type any name. This is the trick. You can use temporary emails any amounts and anytime. Go to second link to get temporary email. Click on copy. Don't close this tab and go back to first link. Paste your temporary email address. Type any password. Type any name. Select any country. Tick in box. Click on Start Free Trial. Go to Temporarily Email tab. Wait for Dropbox email. Click on Email. Scroll down and click on Verify your email. Click on Multiple people. Click any option. Click on Remind me later. Click on Dropbox on mobile web. Go to third link. Type temporary email address. Type password. Click on Sign in. Select Scoped Access. Select Full Dropbox. Type any name. Tick on I agree. Click on Create App. If you face this error, you must enter long name. Click on Create App. Copy and paste redirectory. Click on Add. Click on Permissions. Select Account Info right. Select Files Metadata right. Select Files Content right. Select Files Content right. Select Sharing right. Click on Settings. Copy and save app key. Copy and save app secret. Next we are going to create reclone.conference file. If you have RDP access to your VPS, you can create directly reclone.conference file in your VPS. If not, you can create reclone.conference file from your now using device and copy to your VPS. I will show how to do them. Firstly, for both, you must install Reclone in your device or your VPS. For Linux users, run root access command. Next run update command. Next run upgrade command. Next run reclone install command for Linux. For Windows users, go to WinSpl link. Click on Download. Click on Download WinSpl installer. Click on Save. Click on Download icon. Click on Folder icon. Click on Setup. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Go to Reclone download link. Click on Windows download icon for your version. Click on Folder icon. Click right mouse button on RAR file. Click on Extract here. Click right mouse button on extracted folder. Click on Copy. Click right mouse button on main desktop screen. Click on Paste. Open folder. Type CMD in folder path and press Enter. For Android users, go to RCX app link. Click on Install. Click on Open. Click on Skip. Click on Allow. Click on Done. Next, let's set up Reclone. For Linux and Windows users, run reclone start command. Type in and press Enter. Type any name. Type 12 and press Enter. Type saved app key and press Enter. Type saved app secret and press Enter. Type in and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. If sometimes it asks you to sign in, you must sign in just like before. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Go back to Terminal. Press Enter. For Android users, press plus icon. Select Dropbox. Click on Next. Type any name. Type saved app key. Type saved app secret. Click on Next. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. Go back to App. Only for non-RDP access Linux and Windows users, run file path command. This is your config file path. Only for non-RDP access Android users, click on 3 pieces of stripes. Click on Export Reclone Config. Select any folder and click on Save. This is your config file path. Only for non-RDP access users, log into VPS SSH terminal first. Run root access command. Next, run reclone install command. Run reclone start command. Type Q and press Enter. Next, run create file command. Go to reclone config file path and open it using text editor. Copy showing Dropbox paragraph. Paste it on terminal. Click Control button plus X. Type Y. Press Enter. Let's do final thing. For both users, let's mount disk. For Linux VPS users, run making folder command. Run mount command. In command, first Dropbox word is remote name and second Dropbox word is folder name. You can change these words for your own. If you reboot VPS or sometimes it is automatically unmounted after 2 days, you must run mount command again. For Windows VPS users, run mount command. Don't close terminal. If you reboot VPS, you must run mount command again.